What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to be talking about the T51R mod for the S58 engines on all BMWs, G80 M3, G82 M4, G87 M2, X4M, X5M. So this is one of the most controversial mods that are currently out right now. A lot of people love the way it sounds. And then there's a lot of people who think it sounds like a vacuum. So comment down below if you're a fan of the T51R mod. And at the end of this video, we're gonna show you some sweet rollers of two G80s that got the mod installed. But real quick, we're gonna talk more about what the T51R mod is and what it's actually meant to do. All right, guys, so the T51R mod is basically a modification to your stock turbo housing. You know, we've been getting a lot of questions in the comments about, does it need any special tuning or special modifications to do it? Absolutely not. You can do this 100% on a stock car without any mods or any special tuning required. Basically, the T51R mod is just these slits that get put into this surface on the stock turbo housing. So the T51R mod is actually an anti-surge housing. So like on turbos like Precision, Garrett, bigger turbos, those are there for anti-surge purposes. Boost surge is basically change in the air when the boost changes in the car. The airflow changes, obviously, and sometimes the airflow can go backwards. And when the air goes backwards, that means the air is actually pushing against the current rotation of the turbine. So it kind of makes it more efficient. Does it require more tuning? Not really. Does it affect anything that you could really see or feel? Not really. You'd really have to log the internal flow of the compressor housing to see any sort of minute change. But the reason everyone goes for the T51R mod is the sound. So again, it's very controversial. A lot of people love the way it sounds. And personally, I like the way it sounds. It just adds like another element every day you drive the car. It's kind of like the JQ Works steering wheel. You know, we love mods that you can feel and enjoy every time you get in the car that are headache-free. So another reason we really like the T51R mod is because it's very easy to do. Now, it does take about 3 to 4 hours to get this thing installed. Stock turbo housing comes out and then the new one gets put in. Let me grab the stock turbo housing just to show you guys. James just got this out of this customer's car. You can see on the stock housing, this edge and this area here doesn't have any of the slits put in. And this is the T51R. The one thing we recommend is that you get some sort of aftermarket air intake. The sound is kind of muffled with the stock air box. It is still prominent, but it's only really noticeable when you're on throttle with a stock intake box. When you have a aftermarket intake, it really accentuates the actual sound that you're going for. All right, James is gonna get the T51R mod on this car, and we're gonna show you guys some clips of what it sounds like. All right, guys, so we've been posting a lot of videos of the sound from outside the car and doing rollers. Actually, the mics are inside the engine bay. We've had a few people request to hear what it sounds like in the car, so yeah, while we're testing, making sure everything's okay on this install, we figured might as well record some of the sounds. So I know in our videos, it makes it seem like it's very loud. That's, again, because the mics are inside the engine bay. But when you're driving along, it's like, it's noticeable, but not, it doesn't take over the whole like sound experience while you're driving. Obviously, you guys can hear me clearly. I'm not talking extra loud to go over the sound of the T51R. So thankfully we've got now it's open, can get on it a little bit. It kind of gives a little bit of a blow-off valve sound. All right, guys, so we're gonna head back to the shop. Hopefully you guys got a good feel for what it sounds like inside the car. We're going to show you guys a little bit of a little featurette that we made with a San Marino blue G80 and a Sao Paulo yellow G80. And again, one more time, last time, is that the Sao Paulo G80 M3 has a stock intake. You won't really be able to tell in the video because, again, we put the mics inside the engine bay to make sure we really capture the sound. But again, if you do want the T51R, we highly suggest getting an intake as well. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed that video of the sound. Before we conclude this video, we wanted to kind of go over the 3 options available for you to get your T51R. It's a little bit confusing, but the third option is probably the most beneficial and has been the most popular way that our customers have chosen to get their T51R. The first option is the most expensive, and it's $800, right, Eric?
Yeah, so the first option is actually going to be purchasing a housing with the modification already done, and that can either be shipped to you or you can bring it to our shop to install. The second option is going to be for us to remove your current housing out of your car, do the T51R modification and reinstalling it back into your car, and the service itself is $399. So the third option, which I think is the most convenient, is we actually have a reserve amount of cores that are available, and that costs $400 for the core deposit, and your car won't be down. So we'll take one of those reserve cores and send it out for you, and once we get it back and it's completed, we will reach out to you, set the install date up.
So yeah, you know, that third option, guys, is what that black G82 at the beginning of this video that customer chose. He showed up around 10 o'clock and was out of here at around like 1:30, 2 o'clock. So if you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you guys want to contact us directly, our contact info is also in the description. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.